I talk a lot about optimization, but there's one specific architectural flaw that is literally opposite of efficiency. I see data teams do it every day. If your dashboard took more than 10 seconds to load, or your whole engineering team have to spend 80% of their time babysitting broken data flows, you don't have a data problem. You have a structural problem. You're likely using your BI tool as a data warehouse. In industry where data is exploding and compliance is non-negotiable, this shortcut is a ticking time bomb. Today, I'm going to show you the lean architecture that will save your performance and your budget. Why do teams do this? Because BI tools like Domo or Power BI make it incredibly easy to just upload in CSV and start dragging boxes. It feels fast on day one. But here's the mental model you need. BI tools are presentation engines. They are not processing engines. When you perform complex multi-way joins and heavy ETLs inside a BI layer, you are using high-cost computing power for low-level storage tasks. It's like using Ferrari to haul bricks. Sure, it works for a while, but you're destroying the engine and paying a massive premium gas. Let's look at the hidden costs here. Performance, compliance, and vendor locked in. As your record scales into the millions, your BI tool's logic layer will choke. If your executives must wait for a dashboard, they simply won't use it. In industries like healthcare, auditors need an immutable data lineage. If a field's origin is buried in a messy 500-step data flow, you are failing audit. AWS provides granular logs that BI tools can't match. If all your business logic lives inside one BI tool, you are a hostage to their pricing. But if you keep your logic in AWS, the BI tool is just a skin. You can swap Domo for Tableau or Power BI in a week without rebuilding your soul. If you don't have time or resource, I highly recommend checking out an agency to help you build a data lake. At Cappy Consulting, we help companies modernize their entire data stack, from seamless migrations to building high-performance data lakes, so you can actually trust your insights again. Right now, we're offering a free 30-minute data migration consultation to help you map out your move without the typical downtime or data loss. Click the link in description to schedule your session. Let's get your data moving so you can get back to growing the business. Now, back to the video. So how do we fix the convenience trap? We implement the medallion architecture. This is a data lake house design pattern originally invented by Databricks. Today, it has been adopted by almost every major industry leader because it solves the one thing BI tools can: data reliability at scale. By moving logic out of the presentation layer and into the structure framework, you gain absolute data lineage, simplified compliance, and a single source of truth that doesn't break when you change your dashboard tool. This structure is simple but powerful, flowing through three distinct stages of quality. First layer, the bronze layer. It represents raw data. This is the landing zone. We ingest data from your EHR, CRM, or those innocent Excels exactly as they are. No changes are made here. This is your permanent history. Second, silver layer, it is the clean data. Here, we perform the heavy lifting. We normalize the data, clean the data, join tables, and most important for healthcare, we handle HIPAA-sensitive masking and dedupe. Finally, the gold layer, which is BI-ready data. This is the final product. It is highly optimized, pre-aggregated, and project-specific. Your BI tool reads this layer and nothing else. By doing this, your BI tool stops being a processing engine and starts doing what it's supposed to be: storytelling. That's it for today's video. Thanks for being a part in today's journey. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, see you!